okay for me to be stuck in New York. I'm about to get the train to go back home. It's Sunday. I had to miss church, unfortunately, but the snowstorm is causing everything to just be thrown off. So I'm waiting to get the train, and it's super cold. This is what it's looking like, and I am underdressed. We'll keep y'all updated along the way. I just want to go home. To make matters worse, guys, the waiting room is closed. So we're literally just standing out in the snow. There's Mom and Sarah, and we're just waiting because it's Sunday, so it's off-peak hours. Every train is coming in like an hour increment. So the next one, 20 minutes. I love the snow, but I don't want to be out here. Get out! I hate it. All right, y'all. We came upstairs. As you can see, it's crazy. Sarah is super cold. There's no boots up here either, so we kind of just have to brave it. My toes feel like they're about to fall off. We'll be vibing the best way we can. I just can't wait for the train to get here. This is like blizzard-like conditions. Like, look at this. Look at how this is blown. Ooh. I wish that was my train, but oh, it's not. Alright guys, we made it to Grand Central. Much of our energy is gone, so we're gonna try to get something to eat. Sarah, take this escalator right here. We're gonna try to get something to eat super quickly before getting on the next train, and then it's about 2 hours. I'm very much exhausted at this point, but I'm very happy to be out of the snow. Alright guys, false alarm. We're just gonna get something from my mom. She's been fasting, and her energy is like more depleted than the rest of us. Our train is gonna take off in like less than 10 minutes, so we're just gonna get something really quick for her and then run to our track because we cannot afford to miss that train. Alright y'all, we made it. It's time to go. Look out there. And you do not want to feel this cold on your face. But we made it. We're gonna go get something to eat. That's it. We're done. Bye.